Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding the core: who, where, and why. Give Chatgpt a tight seed prompt that includes character names, tone, and duration. This reduces rewrites. Once done, ask for 3 short scene options with beats, not paragraphs, so you can pick fast. Make sure to specify visual style and aspect ratio, for example 16:9. Then request a shot list for the chosen scene. This immediate focus gets you from 0 to actionable scenes in minutes, instead of hours. You now expand the chosen option into a structured sequence of beats and camera directions. Explain why a close-up sells emotion or a wide shot shows context. Once you have beats, ask Chatgpt to write concise dialogue tuned to each character's voice. Then request timing for each beat so you can map to seconds. Make sure to include transitional shots and sound cues. If you want, export a version formatted as a shot list or storyboard captions so you can hand it directly to an editor or animator. You finish by assembling the shot list into a timeline, assigning seconds per shot, and marking audio cues. This creates a rough edit blueprint. Once done, ask Chatgpt to produce a voiceover script and subtitle file and a short edit guide for transitions and music. If the pace or tone feels off, debug by asking it to shorten beats, increase reaction shots, or rewrite lines for clarity. A single troubleshooting tip: change one variable at a time, shot length versus dialogue, to see what fixes pacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.